Hello everyone, this is Dr. Dia Yang. I'm an ophthalmologist from Beijing, China. I've been working as a visiting scholar and associate scientist at Shiley Eye Institute, UC San Diego, for 2 years with one of the top ophthalmologists, Dr. Robert Weinreb, in the US. I finished my study in the US in November 2019. Shortly after I came back to China, coronavirus outbreak started haunting my country. Just when China's coronavirus situation started to become more stabilized, the pandemic growing fiercely in other parts of the world. As of today, the confirmed cases of coronavirus in the US has reached over 2,200 and with 49 deaths. At this point, I'm extremely concerned about people in the US, and among them, my teacher, my colleagues, families, and friends. I'm making this video to warn the people in the US of two common misunderstandings about coronavirus. First one is that it is not necessary to wear the mask. And second, the coronavirus is just like a common flu. Only elder person who get it will die from it. Some Americans think that only sick people wear masks and that when someone wears the mask, he or she probably be sick. This prevailing bias about mask wearing is becoming the first obstacle in disease prevention. If someone asked me for advice in preventing coronavirus, I would say check CDC website and follow their guidelines such as washing your hands frequently. But today, my first advice would be don't be afraid to wear the mask in public places. I'm astonished that Americans are not doing this already. I know that being able to enjoy the sunshine, fresh air, and beautiful smile are essential for American peoples. But let us not forget that we need to live and be healthy first. Otherwise, nothing will matter. Now is the time that we do our best to protect and cherish our parent lives or God-given lives, so we will be able to enjoy the finer things in the many years to come. So here I urge you, my American friends, please put on a mask when you are out and about in the public places, because you will never know whether or not the people around you have been infected with the coronavirus. Hey, they probably won't know that either. There is sufficient amount of data that shows coronavirus has an incubation period of more than 14 days, and that some infected person can be asymptomatic or with mild symptoms. And above all else, please don't judge when you see someone is wearing a mask. He or she who wears the mask could be a sick person. However, he could be also a person who cares a great deal about their health or those that came into contact with them. Either way, this person deserves our respect. Young and healthy person could be die from coronavirus too. Don't underestimate what we have not yet made a vaccine for. Anyone who could die from coronavirus. It is not a virus, quote unquote, made for the elderly. So those who believe they're young and healthy and are invincible to a virus such as this, please don't be ignorant anymore. Cases of healthy and young individuals who lost their lives of the coronavirus are evidence enough to prove this point. During the past 2 months in China, with the effective administration efforts on protective measures, and with the cooperation of the people, preventive measures such as wearing a mask, washing hands, no public gathering, and stay at home whenever possible, the situation of coronavirus has been preliminarily contained in China. It is with great sincerity that I hope to deliver our experience to all the people in the world to help them. Please take this experience seriously because they're earned with so many lives lost. Thank you for watching.